At first glance, they all might seem the same, but delve a little deeper and you'll discover a world of difference. Today, let's unravel the mystery of one such unique variety, the Haitian sea salt. Haitian sea salt, a hidden gem, is harvested from the pristine waters surrounding the coast of Haiti. This natural and unrefined salt is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a plethora of health benefits that might just surprise you. One of the key benefits of Haitian sea salt lies in its rich mineral content. Unlike regular table salt, which undergoes heavy processing and bleaching, Haitian sea salt retains all its natural minerals. It's packed with vital trace elements like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, elements that are essential for our body's optimal functioning. Magnesium, for instance, aids in nerve and muscle function, while potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget calcium, which is critical for bone health. So, when you sprinkle Haitian sea salt over your meals, you're not just enhancing flavor, but also nourishing your body with essential minerals. But the benefits of Haitian sea salt extend beyond just nutrition. This wholesome salt can also play a vital role in hydration. Yes, you heard that right. While excessive salt intake can lead to dehydration, the right amount can actually help maintain the body's fluid balance. This is because salt is a key player in the process of osmosis, which helps regulate fluid balance in our cells. In fact, during the cholera outbreak in Haiti, comedian Cat Williams shared a simple yet effective remedy to help combat dehydration caused by the disease. He suggested mixing 1 piece of Haitian sea salt with water, creating a natural rehydration solution. This just goes to show the incredible potential of this humble ingredient. Haitian sea salt is also a boon for culinary enthusiasts. Its coarse texture and briny flavor add a new dimension to dishes, making it a preferred choice for chefs around the globe. Whether it's used to season grilled meats or add a finishing touch to baked goods, Haitian sea salt can elevate your culinary creations to new heights. To sum it up, Haitian sea salt is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a nutrient-rich natural salt that not only enhances the taste of your food, but also offers significant health benefits. From aiding in hydration to providing essential minerals, this unique salt truly deserves a spot in your pantry. So the next time you reach for the salt shaker, remember, a pinch of Haitian sea salt can go a long way in promoting wellness and adding that extra oomph to your meals. Available in 8 ounces on my websites www.ggserbstores.com.